A man has dark blue eyes and a woman has green eyes. Which eye color phenotypes would be possible for children born of this man and woman? Let's start by finding the genotypes of the parent. The dark blue eyes parent has two lowercase a's, capital B, little b, and the woman has green eyes. So her genotype is recessive for the A allele and dominant for the B allele. The next step is to find the possible gametes in their offspring. We're going to use the FOIL method. So the first two alleles, the outer two alleles, the inner two, and the last two. Then we're going to cross out any repeat gametes because we don't need to write it twice in our Punnett square. The other parent only has lowercase a alleles and uppercase b alleles, so all of their gametes are going to contain a lowercase a and a capital B. Let's put those gametes into the Punnett square to find our answer. We'll put the gametes from one parent on one side and the gamete from the other parent along the other side. And then we'll write their genotypes, gathering the A's and the B's together and writing the dominant before the recessive alleles. Next, we can look in our table to see what colors these are. The first one, with the recessive A and capital B's, is green. And the second one, with the recessive A, dominant B, and recessive B, is dark blue. So we'll look on our multiple choice answers and see which one matches with green and dark blue. We have B, which is dark blue and green. Let's look at the numeric response. If one parent has gray blue eyes, let's look in the table for that. That is a dominant A, recessive A, and two recessive B's. And the other has brown, green, flecked eyes. That parent will have dominant A, lowercase a, and then two dominant B's. Let's check what we're looking for. What is the probability of their first child being a girl with dark blue eyes? So we are looking for the genotype that has two lowercase a's, capital B, and a lowercase b. Next, let's find the gametes using the FOIL method again. So we'll have two gametes with dominant A and recessive B, and the other two gametes, recessive A, recessive B. Let's cross out 2 because they're repeats. And then for the second parent, we have dominant A, dominant B, another one of the same. The inner two, recessive A, dominant B, and another recessive A, dominant B. Again, we'll cross out the repeats, and then we'll write them in our Punnett square. We'll write the gametes from one parent along one side of the Punnett square, and from the other parent along the other side. And then we can write their genotypes of their offspring in the square. Being careful to, again, gather the A's and the B's together and put the dominant allele ahead of the recessive allele. Next, let's check what we were looking for again. We were looking for dark blue eyes. And we can see in our Punnett square, there is 1 out of 4 with dark blue eyes. We also want to know the chance that a girl has dark blue eyes. So the chance of having a girl is 1/2. And so when we're looking for the probability of 2 events occurring at the same time, we multiply them together. So 1/4 times 1/2 gives us 0.125. We are asked to answer as a whole number percent, so our final answer is 13%.